Hi, this is Dr. John Nosti with your 2-minute rock the drill tip. Today I want to talk to you about the Optragate. This is one product that I can't live without. I use it every day. Anytime I am prepping an anterior case, doing some anterior composite work, even if I want some retractors in place to take an impression, the Optragate is wonderful for all of those areas. What it doesn't do for me, it doesn't replace a rubber dam, but it's still a great isolation tool, and it actually helps my patient become more cooperative throughout these procedures. So once you open the Optragate up, let me show you how to place the Optragate in the patient's mouth. The Optragate has an outer ring and an inner ring. With my non-dominant hand, I'm going to squeeze the inner ring so that with the hand I'm going to place the Optragate in, I can reach through the outer ring into the inner ring and I can squeeze it just like so. I'm now going to use a mirror and I'm going to place the Optragate inner ring on one side of her mouth. Now I'm going to bend the other side past the mirror, pull the mirror out, and now the Optragate basically snaps in place, tuck it behind her lips, and we have the Optragate in place. Now, if you're doing this for a long procedure, sometimes the lower part of the Optragate can bother the patient's lip, and all you have to do is take that lower ring and pop it over their teeth, and that'll allow it to be more comfortable for your patient throughout the procedure. That's Dr. John Nosti with your 2-minute rock the drill tip.